Team practice. Florence had 80 nickels and dimes whose value was $6.50. How many of each kind of coin did she have? So this is a value equation, so we need a number equation and a value equation. So the number of nickels and the number of dimes is equal to 80. And then we know that nickels are worth 5 cents, dimes are worth 10, and the total value was $6.50. So we write that as $650. So we can solve this many ways. We'll solve this one using elimination. So we'll multiply everything by negative 10. So we get negative 10 n sub n minus 10 n sub d equals negative 800. And then we'll add. So we get negative 5 n sub n equals negative 150. So the number of nickels is 30. If the number of nickels is 30, then the number of dimes has to be 50 because there are 80 total coins. Okay, next problem. Roses sold for 12 pence each and daffodils for 4 pence each. If Jim bought 35 flowers and spent 300 pence, how many daffodils would he buy? So we have a number and a value equation. We know that the number of roses plus the number of daffodils was 35. And roses were 12 pence, daffodils were 4 pence, and the total was 300. So this one I'm going to solve using substitution. So number of daffodils is 35 minus n sub r, and I'll plug that into the second equation. So 12 n sub r plus 4 times 35 minus n sub r equals 300. When I distribute that 4 to the 35, 4 times 35 is 140, minus 4 n sub r equals 300. So 12 n sub r minus 4 n sub r is 8 n sub r. And when I subtract 140 from both sides, I end up with 160. Divide both sides by 8, and I get n sub r equals 20. So the number of roses is 20. There are 35 total flowers, so the number of daffodils is 15. Okay, and the last problem, find x and y. So first thing to do is match up sides. 4 goes with y, 3 goes with 5, and 5 goes with x. So we need to find the scale factor between 3 and 5. So 3 times the scale factor gives me 5, so the scale factor is 5/3. 5 times 5/3 is going to give me x, so 25/3 is x, and 4 times 5/3 will give me y, so 20/3 is equal to y.